Hello guys, my name is Arun and today I am again in front of you with a very demanding question, with the answer of a very demanding question. And the question is, why to choose data engineering as career? I mean, this is a question that might be popping up inside your mind again and again. You would be seeing again and again whenever you will be seeing this data engineering term. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be talking about why to choose data engineering as a career. So there are few factors, few very obvious factors that I suggest everyone to choose data engineering as career. Like if they are confused that which technology they should learn to to get good package, to get a future, to learn a future proof technology. It means any technology uh, which if they learn they will not have to think for next 5 or 10 years or 15 years. Okay, so there are many kinds of questions that pop up inside everyone's mind. So in this video I'll be talking about those questions that generally pop up inside your mind, and this is the question, like why to choose data engineering as a career. So I've listed down few points here. Okay, the first and foremost point is this excellent pay. Okay, this is one of the technology which which gives you one of the best salary in the market. I can guarantee you for that. Okay, I can guarantee you for that this is one of the technology that gives one of the best salary to you in the market. The next important point is this demand and supply. This demand and supply. In market there is very high demand of the data. There is very high demand of data engineers, but the supply that is there for data engineers is actually very less. Supply is actually very less as per whatever demand is, and that is one of the reason that the pay that data engineers are getting are very much excellent actually. This high demand and low supply of people who has skill set in data engineering is not only in Indian market, but it is in Western countries as well. I get many calls from Western countries to give the interviews. Okay, this much is the demand of this skill set. Okay, the demand of this data engineering skill set is such that I get calls from many recruiters that do you want to give proxy interview for other candidates. So this much is the demand of this skill set. Like they ask to give proxy interview for some other person. Okay, so you see what kind of demand that this technology has actually. The other important point that I want to highlight here is the demand of the career of this data engineers is such a lucrative that people from other skill sets, like those who are web developers or those who are Java developers or those who are working in some testing profile, they also want to move into this data engineering profile. They also want to move into this data engineering profile. This is the attractiveness that this data engineers profile has. Okay, also this technology is this skill set, this data engineering skill set is future proof. Okay, future proof. Why it is future proof? Because the data is increasing day by day. The data is increasing day by day. Each year or each day more data will be generated than what the previous day had. So to handle that data, to manage that data, to process that data, to clean that data and keep it at the right place in a very right way, people need data engineers. So of course it is future proof. It is never going to die. Okay, I have written here, data is never going to die. The data that is getting generated is never going to die. Data is fuel for today's world, right? Data is fuel for today's world. Data helps in many kind of decision makings to companies, and that's why companies are investing so much money in this, in managing this data, in cleaning this data, processing this data, right? Now another important point is people ask that what is future proof of this? Will I be able to uh, able to get good salary, and will I be able to position myself in a good organization with this data engineering profile? So of course yes, Since the data is going to increase day by day, right? Increase day by day. To manage that data, we need data engineers. So of course you can think that, I mean, it is very much obvious that people need data engineers, and the demand for these data engineers is going to increase or scale up in future as well. It is never going to die actually. So for managing those data, company needs data engineers. Tools and technologies may change, okay? Tools and technologies may change, but the base of data engineering can never change actually. So I hope I made sense with all these things, okay? And I hope these answers are sufficient for you to get started with data engineering. If you have any other relevant questions related to data engineering or Azure data engineering, you can comment in my YouTube video, in this comment on my channel. I will see and reply back to you. Thank you so much.